Morning, everybody. I haven't had my coffee yet, excuse me. I sent you a whole bunch of connectors, individual files, and this MakerBot file. My students are trying to find ways to make their parts move, especially for their automata project. So I stole all the connectors off of Tinkercad, and I'm bringing them over into Inventor right now. So you have all these, and all they are the connector pieces, so you can have movable parts. One of the connectors are called a spinning wheel. You can see these wheels, I don't know if you can see that, move real easy. There's not a lot of friction, so they don't wheel very well on a table. Nothing a couple rubber bands don't fix. And then there's different ball and socket joints. So you can have, shoulders or arms, elbows, make guys do the wave. You can hear that creaking noise. That's for the lines from the 3D printing. You can sand them down if you want them to go smoother. Prime them if you want them to go smoother. But this is what the connectors do. They're really cool. And I think students will find all kinds of fun ways to use them. Enjoy!